Today we're unboxing this. This new to me. This guy. Nomad rugged Airpods case. Packaging came with the case. This guy too. I don't know what this is. It's hello-nomad.com. Let's get to this first. What is this? Very nice packaging. Very nice stock. Cardboard. Welcome to Nomad. Thank you for putting your trust in our product and seeking adventure. Nice. I wonder if these are stickers. Yep, there's a sticker there. Pretty cool. This is a really nice paper. Look at that. Very, very nice. This is my first Nomad product, so I'm pretty excited about these things. Leave us a review. That's what I'm doing right now. Well, not quite. This is more of a first impression. Finding new gears and kind of stuff. Cool. Support email. What else? More stickers. Sweet. Nomad stickers. All right. Put that on the side. And here it is. Yeah. So I got this actually after I ordered a skin for my iPod, but I realized I wanted a leather case, so I canceled the skin and I got this instead. I think it was on sale too. Okay, that's how you open it. Just opens that way, and now you see the AirPod case. So it just flew out of there. So this guy goes to the lid and goes to the body. More literature there, and yeah, very well protected. Very nice box. There's a picture of day 1 to day 100. You know, as leather goes of age, the better it looks. Very nice. Still kind of feels plasticky. There's that leather outer shell there. Let's put it on the thing. My AirPods. I'm guessing that goes here. Just to kind of protect that AirPods, because everybody seems to be complaining about it being easily scratched. Although it still feels nice to the touch. I really like how it opens and closes. Oh, I think I put that upside, the wrong side. All right, let's do that again. I should have read the manual. Let's try to push that in. Now it's really hard to take off. If you put it wrong, just like I did, it's really hard to get it back. So make sure you don't do that. Come on. There you go. Yeah, I tried to push it real hard from the bottom. I've been trying to do that too, but it won't budge earlier. But now, almost there. Got it. Almost there. There we go. Now it's out. Goes back in. Yeah, make sure that this lip here is the space to open it up for the hinge. There you go. That makes sense. Alright, and this guy doesn't have, it's just flat like that. So it just goes on top. It just seals that way. Looks good. I already scratched it. That already serves like a memory of this unboxing. I don't know if you see the scratch there, but hey, that's it. Very simple. Looks great. So here's the Nomad rugged case. Thank you for watching.